Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. When you're ready, click on this icon with a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Then select one of those apps, click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of your sources, or click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. When you're ready, just hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!